everyone. My name is Navis. She is my friend Tejaswini. We are studying in UKG in Kids Castle, Old Airport Road branch. One of the main god of Hindu Sanatana Dharma is the Lord Mahadeva or Lord Shiva. He is known as the Mahayogi, the Adi Yogi, the first of all yogis. The Shiva is also known as destroyer of all evil from the universe, only to recreate it. Lord Shiva is often seen with a third eye to represent his wisdom and anger. The Rudra Avatar. His anger is so fierce that the entire world shakes up when he opens his third eye. Right. He has so many rupas and so many names. One of them being the Lord of Dance. Our first performance is dedicated to Lord Shiva. He is one who has allowed himself to associate it with anger, devotion and meditation. He become happy just with praying. Let us all join our hands to pray, destroyer of evils, to remove obstacles from our life. Thank you. Thank you.
The stage is set and music will soon start. This is the Buzz 12, the Rasa Utsav, and we will be starting with the Shiva Vandana. A huge round of applause for the Rasa Utsav.
भद्राय अग्निनेत्राय घोरसंहारः सकललोकाय सर्वभूताय सत्यसाक्षात्करा अंड ब्रह्मांड कोटि अखिल परिपालना पूर्णा जगत् कारणा सत्य देव देव प्रिया वेद वेदार्थ सारा यज्ञ यज्ञोमया निश्चला दुष्ट निग्रह सप्तलोक संरक्षणा सोम सूर्य अग्निलोचना श्वेत ऋषभ वाहना शूलपाणि भुजंग भूषणा ओम शिवोहम ओम शिवोहम रुद्ररूपम भजेहम भजेहम ओम शिवोहम रुद्रनामं भजेहम भजेहम शूलत्रिशूलगात्रम् सत्यप्रभाव दिव्यप्रकाशमन्त्रस्वरूपमात्रम् निष्प्रपञ्चादि निष्कलङ्कोऽहं निजपूर्णबोधहं प्रत्यगात्माहं नित्यब्रह्मोऽहं स्वप्रकाशोऽहं सच्चित्प्रमाणमो मूलप्रमेयमो अयं ब्रह्मास्मि अहं ब्रह्मास्मि
Huge round of applause one more time for that beautiful invocation. Thank you, children. Thank you so much.
Some telepathy is happening from here to where? Where are your parents, ma? Balcony. Oh,